my friends and all who watch these videos. In this part of our educational tutorial, we will continue talking about inventory system. So let's see where we are going. We need to have two fields. In first field we will give some number of inventory position, and in the second field we will put some inventory content. For example, this can be some simple text or numbers, and when we click OK, we have changed inventory on this position. If we put some data on some other position, we will also have some data there. For example, as you see, we have change in our inventory with very simple interface, field and content of the field. When we click OK, change is happening. So let's explain this. In design, we need two line edit object and one button. In signaling, we only need signal for a button. And in coding, we need to use function on button pressed, created when a signal is created. We need one array and few lines of code. In the first line of code, we only use variable for simplicity of coding. In this conditional branch if, we can write this code line, but we can simplify this with only variable. So if our content is different than empty content, we will have some change in inventory. After that, in our label, content of inventory will be seen as string. And now let me show you here in this part we have some label. If you follow tutorial from a first part, you will know this. And now let me only explain you this part of the code. So in conditional branching, we are looking, are there in first field, line edit, get text, anything inside, and in a next field. So if these fields are not empty, we change inventory system in this position, converted to integer with this content, converted to string. So content of the first field shows position in array, and the content of the second field is content for our inventory, also our array. Thank you for watching this video. In next, we will continue working with inventory system, and we will try to create one button-based text inventory system for some kind of text games. Also, this can be used in a game where you use graphic user interface or some other similar interface with buttons, text fields, labels, and similar. Thank you for watching again, and we will see each other in a next video. Goodbye.